Hi, I'm Coach Pramod. I used to be an IT professional, but now I follow my passion, which is running. I'm the founder of India's largest run academy with 26 centers across India. Today, let me bust some common running and antivirus myths. Just like running won't hurt your knee or slow you down, so the antivirus software won't hurt your wallet or slow down your device. The right antivirus program can speed up your device with regular system cleanups. A common myth is running is only for the young. Similarly, people think that antivirus is for laptops and computers, but both are untrue. Running is for everyone. Antivirus software is for all your Android and Windows devices like laptop, mobile phone, tablets and computers. When I am running on the route or running my social media handles, I always put safety first. When it comes to putting your online safety first, Net Protector is the front runner in that race. Digitally fit to life super hit.
Digitally fit to life super hit.